Welcome to the fifth training model of the project named Speak Out Against Online Misogynistic Hate Expressions. Let's have a look at what we will talk about. We will start with introduction and learning objectives. Then we will have a look at relevant DIGCOMP 2.2 competences for tackling gender-based hate. Then we will check digital competence as a tool to address gender-based hate. And last, we will see the link between digital literacy and combating online misogyny. The topic of Model 5 is digital skills applied to combating misogynistic online hate. We will talk about three main topics. First one is the overview of relevant DIGCOMP 2.2 competences for tackling gender-based hate. The second topic is digital competence as a tool to address gender-based hate. The last topic is the link between digital literacy and combating online misogyny. We want to give some information about the first topic, overview of relevant DIGCOMP 2.2 competences for tackling gender-based hate. DIGCOMP 2.2 is the digital competence framework developed by the European Commission. According to this framework, the following competence areas are particularly relevant for addressing online misogyny. First one is information and data literacy. It is the ability to distinguish between reliable and misleading content. Second one is the communication and collaboration. It is the ability to engage in respectful online interaction and build community support. The next competence area is digital content creation. It is the ability to produce counter-narratives and critical content. Next one is safety. It is the ability to apply digital safety measures against hate speech. And the last one is problem solving. Ability to develop solutions for hate-related incidents in digital environments. These competences support young people and youth workers in becoming more conscious, critical, and resilient individuals in the digital space. Second topic is the digital competence as a tool to address gender-based hate. The DIGCOMP 2.2 framework, developed by the European Commission's Joint Research Center, consists of 21 competences grouped under 5 main areas. While all areas contribute to digital citizenship, certain competences are especially significant in the context of online misogyny, digital safety, and ethical online participation. First competence is information and data literacy. The competence title is identifying trustworthy digital sources and interpreting data. Why it matters for gender-based hate. It helps users detect gendered disinformation and manipulative narratives. Second competence is communication and collaboration. First competence title is interacting through digital technologies. It means engaging respectfully and calling out hate through responsible dialogue. Second competence title is engaging in citizenship through digital technologies. It is supporting campaigns and advocacy against online misogyny. The next competence is digital content creation. The competence title is developing digital content responsibility. It is important for avoiding reinforcement of stereotypes in user-generated content. The next competence is safety. The competence title is protecting health and well-being in digital environments. It is important for recognizing the mental health toll of hate content. Seeking resilience. The last competence is problem-solving. The competence title is identifying needs and technological responses. It matters for gender-based hate because it helps reporting harmful content, using blocking tools, platform-specific responses. Third topic of this model is the link between digital literacy and combating online misogyny. This section explores how digital literacy, as a multidimensional competence, enables individuals to identify, understand, and actively resist online misogyny. It emphasizes the shift from passive media consumption to critical digital citizenship, where individuals act ethically and responsibly to promote inclusive online spaces. Today, digital literacy is no longer just the ability to use technology. According to UNESCO and the EU DIGCOMP 2.2 framework, digital literacy includes critical thinking in digital environments, ethical interaction and civic participation, content analysis and recognition of misinformation, protection of oneself and others in digital spaces. Thus, digital literacy becomes a powerful civic tool to resist digital gender-based violence, including hate speech, trolling, doxing, and the spread of misogynistic ideologies. Now we will talk about how digital literacy counters online misogyny. We will see it with a competence-based mapping. First one is the information literacy as a digital literacy domain. How it counters misogyny, enables users to detect false, decontextualized, or biased narratives about women. Second one is the critical media literacy. How it counters misogyny. It decodes sexist symbols, stereotypes, and humor in memes, videos, and comments. Next one is communication literacy. How it counters misogyny, promotes respectful discourse, helps in resisting, reporting, and responding to hate. Next one is emotional and social intelligence online. How it encounters misogyny, builds resilience and collective support among targets of online violence. Next one is digital ethics. How it counters misogyny. It instills awareness of power asymmetries and platform responsibility. Now it is time for practice. Thank you for listening.